Okay guys, you want to run to Dollar General, grab the small bag, which is a 3.5 pound bag of Meow Mix Hairball Control. I know that one works because that's what I got. Also the Meow Mix Poultry and Beef Wet Food. You're going to grab both of them. You're going to make sure you have clipped that dollar off of the Meow Mix and the free Meow Mix. When you get to the register, both dollars should come off, and then there's a G word. So your subtotal will be $4.85 for both before tax. Tax varies on where you're at. Hurry up before they fix it.